Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Chime Credit Builder. This innovative secured Visa credit card is designed to help you establish or improve your credit history. It stands out because it has no interest charges and no annual fees, making it a low-risk way to build credit. You simply use your own funds to determine your spending limit, giving you full control over your finances while working towards a better credit score. To be eligible for the Chime Credit Builder, you first need an active Chime checking account. A key requirement is receiving a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200 into your Chime checking account. This deposit typically comes from your employer or a payroll service. Once these simple conditions are met, you are well on your way to applying for this valuable credit building tool. Applying for your Chime Credit Builder card is straightforward and can be done right from your Chime mobile application. Simply go to your profile section and tap on the option labeled Try Credit Builder. The best part is that Chime does not perform a credit check when you apply, making it accessible even if you have limited or no credit history. Follow the easy steps in the app to complete your enrollment. The Chime Credit Builder reports your payment activity to all 3 major credit bureaus, which is crucial for building a positive credit history. Many members have seen their FICO score increase by an average of 30 points after about 8 months of consistent use. To ensure you always pay on time, activate the Safer Credit Building feature, which automatically uses your secured funds to cover your monthly balance. This helps you build credit responsibly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.